Okay, real quick, I wanted to show you our Telesis Beta Bond Plus adhesive. We've been testing this for hair extensions and making wefts, and because it works so wonderful, we had to show you a little tutorial on how to use it, and we just want to start selling it as our hair extension glue. This is a white glue that dries clear, and I'm going to show you that in this tutorial. It's water resistant, non-hazardous. We're trying to come up with new ways for people to be able to feel more at ease using any kind of adhesives with their hair extension installs. Also, with this new kit that we have, we use Super Solv, which is skin safe, non-toxic to breathe. Always using warm water when you're doing takedowns helps that quickly remove any of this adhesive. Also, with our new kit, we have our new extreme hold wefting. This is stronger than our wefting tape, but it is medical grade, and it is all-purpose, again, multi-purpose hair wefting. So for those who truly want to have a skin-safe kit, this is it. We also have extreme hold single side, and so if you're using these and you have your whole kit together, this is a great option for skin-safe, easy-to-breathe hair extension kit. Or you can buy these separately. We always say, here's our patch test recommendations. We send these out with each and every order. So we always say, please do a patch test if you have any concerns. Okay, so real quick, I wanted to show you how to use this. This isn't as same as liquid gold glue. So I'm going to use this. I've made many, many wefts. I probably have about this much left. This is also 2 ounces versus the 1 ounce of liquid gold glue for the same price, okay? So you always want to have something with you. I use Windex and always give it so your fingers are always clear of any adhesive. It makes it really easy to work with hair when you have a cleaner, you know, space and hands. We also use this marble rolling pin, because if you don't want something flat, you really want to roll it out and you've made it a little thicker than you want. You want to make sure that your adhesive and all the hair that you're using definitely is pushed down and squished together when you're done, and let it dry 24 hours before you apply. All right, so real quick, I'm going to show you. I just run a bead across, and I have different type of spreading tools. I went out and found, I think it's a drywall spreader, so you can do that. If you want to spread it out just a little bit, you can. If you feel that it's really kind of thick in where the area is before you apply your hair, kind of thin it out. And I'm going to take this hair, which I've already made wefts with, just a sample and demonstrating to others. Okay, so I'm going to cut this off and show you real quick here the difference. I want to make sure that you can see. This is not a weft anybody would wear. This is just to show you the demonstration of using this glue. So I do that. You also want to have a blow dryer. So I'll lay all these down. I'm just doing this so you can see when I'm done how the acrylic adhesive dries. So I'm just going to put these in little separate areas. Okay? All right. Then we're going to do this, pushing it into the adhesive, into the tape. The best thing to do is warm it up with your blow dryer. So you can do it like this, and I'm doing this so I can show you how it really does dry clear. So I do that, and you don't want it to dry completely before you add your next layer of adhesive, because you want to make sure you saturate that. So I'm going to put this right over here. And okay, so now I'm using this little other fancy little tool, very cheap, you can get it at craft stores, and brushing the glue up. You always want to go up, not down into the hair. And again, if you want, you can either let it sit and dry, Or again, use the blow dryer. It makes it nice and tacky. And I wanted to do this to show you how it does dry clear. So it is beautiful. It's drying nice and clear. And it's really nice and tacky and perfect. Okay, so now that's done. Now either you're going to use your wefting to make it double side for the top, or you know, we do have our extreme hold single side if you want one side to be double side, the other side to be single side. A lot of people do that. We sell this for just that, or making your own clip-in hair extensions. You can do the very same. So once you're done with that and you love how you've made your weft, you go ahead and cover that, pressing. You can always use something like this tool to press down anything flat and heavy. Marbly is always really nice. And make sure when you pull up that it doesn't go with you. You can always use this also to hold your hair down while you're blow drying. The other option also, we have many people make a lot of hair extensions using our wefting and our extreme hold tape. You can use this because it's so heavy and really push down and roll over very gently. And that really helps also flatten out your weft. Beautiful. All right, so the tip and trick of the day is blow dryer. It's super simple. You roll out your tape, you add your glue. You can either wait and let it start to congeal and really get tacky, or go ahead like we did with the blow dryer. And then your hair, and then more glue in your hair and more glue. And then go ahead, press it all together, wait 24 hours, and your weft is done. Also, if you want to keep a clean surface, I went ahead and I used Scotch tape, and just, that keeps your area clean. But look at that, that's gorgeous. If this was liquid gold glue, I have to say, if you're not using Ultra Hold, this would be orange. This would be really orange. So, and it does dry clear, but not as clear as this. This is clear, clear. Of course, you know, you let this sit for 24 hours, go back, cut the top off. You want this to sit in Windex and it'll all come clean, and you just wash it off. So here's what a weft would look like when it's done. And I just wanted to see both sides. See, it's nice and clear, but you got to have that blow dryer with this glue because it really does help speed up the time. It also makes really nice non-fat wefts because liquid gold glue is definitely a thicker glue. I hope this helps everybody understand how to use the new Beta Bond Plus. This is great, latex free. I love it. Please test and have a patch test because everybody's different in how they react to different adhesives and glues. Okay? All right, thank you, and I hope this helps everybody.